Okay, good day everyone. This video is on how to set an online CBT test for a student. All you have to do is to log into the school portal, then navigate down to the dashboard, then we go to online exam. Click on the online exam. First of all, online exam, you see a drop down which have the question group, question bank, and online exam. The first stage is for you to click on the question group. Then you set the exam title. For example, I want to set ITC. Next for ITC, ICT. I go with this word IC, IC, ICT. Then I save. Wow, it has been saved here now. Then the second stage is the question bank. The question bank is the second stage, of which you will you will select the group. Yeah, mind you, we are working on ICT. Click on the ICT, then the class. Let's work with SS1 for instance. Then the section, science. Click on science. Then the question type. The question type have different different types, which is the multiple choice, the false and the truth and false, the fill in the gap. So I'll be working with fill in the blank. Then let me set the question. I'll set the question like for instance, dash and dash are components of computer hardware. That is the question. Then the mark, let me say it goes with 10 mark. Then the situated and suitable word is the answer to this question. Mind you, you are the admin, you are setting this question. This should be the correct answer. Any student that not go the answer did not correspond with what you wrote down here, the student will be automatically failed. And so my answer will be here, CPU and monitor are components of computer hardware. So I will save the question. So automatically it has been saved. Operation successful. Then the last stage is the online exam. The last stage is the online exam, of which you put the exam title, the title of the exam, but for clarification and easy going, I will use that same ICT that I used before, which is IC and T. Then the class in which you are sitting the exam for, we remind you we are going to SS1. Now the subjects, there's a registered subject. This is a demo account in your school. There's a registered subject for ICT. You click on the registered subjects, which is ICT, but this is a demo account. Then the section, click on the section. The dates this exam is about to start and the date the exam is going to end. If the exam is is doing for a day, so you use that same day. For instance, today is 4th of March and 23rd of March 24. The exam is for a day, so we leave the date like that. Then the time starts should be, let me put 2:14. Then end time put in an hour time, 3 a.m., 3:12 p.m. The minimum percentage means the minimum percentage a student can pass before he or she will be accredited as passed mark. So let me go with 50% for an example. Then instruction is like, is the question having an instruction or the exam carrying any instruction? For instance, here I will say answer all questions. Author mark register if it's done, if the exam is done for multiple students, but I'm just running for a particular student. If you are setting exam for a lot of students, you have to click on this, you have to check on this auto mark register only for multiple exam, but I'm not doing it. Let me just click on save the online exam for now. Wow, it has been done successfully. Of which, see it here, ICT. You click on this plus button here, then you set question. So to bring it to this part here now, then you click on this button again here, then you say operation successful, then you click on select. The operation is now successful. As an admin, you have successfully create an online exam for this particular subject and for this particular class, which is SS1. So let's test run it as a student. So I have to log out. From the admin side, then log in as a student.